Hi you guys. So today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Lush subscription box for the month of June 2025. So for this video I'm going to turn the camera around and close up into the box so I can show you the individual products close up. So it'll be a little bit different video than I normally do. So now let me turn the camera around. Now this is Pineapple Grunt perfume. Lush used to make a soap a long time ago in the early 2000s, and it was called Pineapple Grunt, and it was made with pineapple, and it smelled like pineapple, and it even looked like pineapple. So this soap, Pineapple Grunt, that I'm talking about has not been made since they've never made anything else with that scent. And so that's why I was so pleasantly surprised when I saw this in this box. When I opened it, I was like, what? They gave us Pineapple Grunt perfume? So you can smell it. It smells like Pineapple Grunt. For those of you that have tried the soap before, it does smell like it. It's a little bit heavier on the vetiver, I will say that, but the pineapple scent itself is actually there. And so let me spray it now. So when you first spray this on and it's still wet, at first it smells like pineapple, and then on my skin anyway, the vetiver really starts coming out to where it smells, it takes over the pineapple notes, and all I smell is vetiver. Then when it starts to dry down on my arm, when it's all the way dry, then that luscious, sweet pineapple scent comes out again when it's dry, and it smells so yummy. So I was worried because while it was wet, it was changing on me, and the pineapple was going away, but luckily I just was patient, and once it dried down, it smelled yummy again. So that's my experience with Pineapple Grunt perfume. Your mileage may vary, but just to let you know what it was like for me. So next, okay, so here is this bath bomb. This is called Puket, and it's the name of a place, and with gorgeous turquoise water. Stuff like that. So this one has coriander and coconut milk, and you can definitely smell the coconut, and the coriander just gives it kind of a little spiced note in there. Coriander is kind of a nice fresh smell to me, fresh coriander anyway. So that is Puket. A lot of people think this is pronounced a different way, but it isn't. Okay, next we have Super Milk shower gel. So Lush makes a hair product called Super Milk, and the smell of that is so wonderful. It's got vanilla and lemon, and it's so yummy that Lush made a shower gel of the same fragrance for us to buy, which I love. Super Milk is really, really good. I would rate this a 5 out of 5 rating. Okay, next is this bubble bar called Jasmine Cream, and it's got yellow cream in the middle of it. On my website, I have a picture of the previous one that I used a couple of years ago for Mother's Day, and I cut it in half so you can see the yellow cocoa butter area inside in the middle. And this one is made with jasmine flower. It even looks like a jasmine flower, and it's a good smelling jasmine, in my opinion. It's absolutely beautiful. It's not too strong, but it's not too weak either. It's just right, and it leaves a nice fragrance on your skin when you take a bubble bath with this. So that's Jasmine Cream. I would rate this a 4.5 out of 5 rating. And next is Bamboo Soap. Now, bamboo soap used to be sold in all the Lush stores and online and everything as a regular year-long item in the early 2000s. And it looked just like this, and it has a nice fresh green smell. It's kind of green and kind of woody, and it's supposed to smell like a piece of bamboo, which it actually does to me. It smells both green and woody at the same time, and it's a nice natural scent. And I love that they made the design look like an actual piece of bamboo. That's so cool. So that's bamboo soap. I would rate this probably a 3 out of 5 rating. So I can't wait to use this, actually. Next, we have Big Calm Body Conditioner. So Big Calm is actually the name of a shower jelly that Lush made in the 2010s. And they've made a few products in this same Big Calm scent. They've made Yellow Submarine Bath Bomb and Coco Loco body spray, and then also the Coco Loco solid shower oil. These are all in the same scent. It's a coconut and pineapple scent. Like it says here, ride the waves of coconut and pineapple aromas as this conditioning cocoa butter cocktail softens and scents your skin. And you can see here it has Brazilian orange oil, lots of cocoa butter. I believe that this is the new formula of body conditioner that Lush is going to be using to make this month. As a matter of fact, the 6 community Lush Club body conditioners. And if you haven't seen that yet, it's on my website, and it lists all 6 of the different body conditioners that Lush is going to be making this month in June 2025. Big Calm is not one of them, but there will be 6 others. So I'm glad that they made Big Calm for this box, the body conditioner. I have always liked Big Calm, and I've always rated it a good 4 out of 5 rating. And lastly, but in my opinion, the best in this box is Passion Fruit Body Scrub. Let me take the top off so I can show you what it looks like. So here it is. And this smells like straight up passion fruit. If you've ever smelled actual passion fruit, it smells just like this. And I don't know how they did that, but wow. So this is pretty much one of my favorite things in this box. It's so impressive. And it's soft. It's like a dough with some sugar mixed in. I love the consistency of these new formulas of body scrubs. Absolutely wonderful. And this smells absolutely delicious. Oh my goodness. It's nice and strong too. So I really like this. So that is the box, subscription box for June 2025 for the Lush subscription box. And thanks so much for watching. I appreciate it. And we'll talk to you soon on the next Lush video, guys. Bye-bye.